Hey guys, this is going to be a remake video of this 52-inch Home Decorators Collection Merwry ceiling fan. This fan is installed in the family room at my house, and it is from the mid-2010s. I did not know what year it's from exactly because I cannot find a date on it, but it's definitely from the 2010s because we moved into this house back in 2019. Even though I'm not really a fan of modern fans, I quite like this one because it matches the room quite a bit. The family room is also connected to the kitchen, but it used to be separated. This room was remodeled in 2016, and in case you're wondering, this house was built in 1961. There used to be a wall right here separating the kitchen and the family room. That's why you see this little line right here. You can see a little bit better on this side. The blades are non-reversible. They're wide on both sides. There's the top shot. And by the way, this is the only ceiling fan in the house that we've never taken down or replaced. All right, now I will demonstrate it for you, starting off with the light. And now for low. Here's medium. And here's high. And since the spin down of this fan takes forever, I'm just gonna go ahead and end the video here. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.